welcome to a day in 15 minutes UPSC Prelims Daily Current Affairs. Today is 8th March 2020 and the main topics for discussion are Great Barrier Reef, Bird Flu, Indian Ocean Commission, then we have Kishori Shakti Yojana and also Mission Bugier. Okay, coming to the first topic, that is Great Barrier Reef. So this is in news because the barrier reef, the coral bleaching in barrier reef is a major problem. So Great Barrier Reef is the world's largest coral reef system, and over 2,900 individual reefs and 900 islands are there in Great Barrier Reef. We have discussed this before also. I'm just, refreshing your memory. Okay. So the reef, it is located in the Coral Sea. It is off coast of Queensland, Australia, and it can be seen from the outer space also. It's the world's largest single structure that has been created by the living organisms. So this structure is composed of billions of tiny organisms. They are known as coral polyps, and it supports a wide variety of life and are selected as a World Heritage Site in 1981. So what is coral bleaching we are talking about? Coral bleaching is basically happening due to climate change. So when the sea surface temperature increases beyond a tolerable limit, they undergo this bleaching process, and while by bleaching we means that the corals, they expel the algae within them that is called as zooxanthellae, and zooxanthellae basically lives in the tissues of the coral, and they live in a symbiotic relationship. So about 90% of the energy of the coral is provided by zooxanthellae, because zooxanthellae have this chlorophyll and they have other pigments also. They produce food, and which has been so the corals are getting nourished from zooxanthellae. So they are responsible for the yellow color or the reddish brown color of the host coral. So zooxanthellae can live as an endosymbiont. What is an endosymbiont? Which live within the body of another organism in a symbiotic relationship. So the zooxanthellae can live as an endosymbiont with the jellyfish also. When a coral bleaches, it does not come pretty close to it. Some of the corals may survive the experience and recover once the sea surface temperature return to the normal level. So it's not necessary that whenever there is an increase in the sea surface temperature, the coral bleaching can happen. Okay. Some actually recover also. So the major reefs that is found in India are the Gulf of Mannar, Gulf of Kutch, Andaman and Nicobar, and also the Lakshadweep Island. Okay. The next topic is bird flu. So bird flu is in news because Kerala has reported the case of bird flu, and bird flu is literally avian influenza. It is an infection of birds by H5, H7 strains of avian influenza type A viruses, and it occurs among the wild aquatic birds. It happens all over the world. Okay, and this affects the domestic poultry and also the animal species, especially the domesticated ones. Okay, and it can spread to humans also, that is zoonotic, and can trigger person-to-person transmission as well. Okay, so there are many varieties of viruses, and H7N9 is considered the most dangerous one. Okay, H7N9. Okay, and the infected birds can spread the virus through saliva, nasal secretions, and the fecus. And the birds get infected when they are exposed to the virus after they are shed by which has been infected. Okay, so it is contagious. Fine. Okay, that's it. Then the next topic for discussion is the Indian Ocean Commission, IOC. So India has joined as an observer of Indian Ocean Commission. That is why we are discussing it today. And IOC is basically an intergovernmental organization. It was created in 1982 and it was created in Port Louis, Mauritius, and it became institutionalized in 1984 by Victoria Agreement. Victoria Agreement took place in Seychelles. Okay, so it is mainly composed of 5 African Western Indian Ocean countries. It is Comoros, Madagascar, Mauritius, Reunion Islands, and the Seychelles. Okay, so Reunion Island is the overseas region of France that you already know, and IOC also have observers. So the members are 5 African nations, and the observers are India, China, Malta, European Union, and the International Organization of La Francophonie, okay, OIF. These are the observers in this particular thing. And the principal mission is to actually strengthen the ties of friendship between the countries and to bring a solidarity for the entire population of the African Indian Ocean region. Okay, so I have a picture here which shows the members of this particular organization as well. So what is the significance of the organization? The Western Indian Ocean, it is a strategic area. It's a sub-theater of the Indian Ocean region. It is linking to the southeastern coast of Africa as well, and it will give a wider, Indian Ocean, the region. So it is home to one of the major choke point of the world, that is Mozambique Channel. Now you understood how important it is? Yeah. Next topic is Kishori Shakti Yojana. So as per the information available, most of the states are maintaining Kishori health cards for adolescent girls in Anganwadi centers. Okay, so the Kishori Shakti Yojana, we'll talk about it. It is actually to empower the adolescent girls to make them take charge of their own lives, and it is a holistic initiative for the overall development of an adolescent girl. Okay, so this now it is redesigned. Already it was like adolescent girls scheme. Now it is redesigned and it is implemented as a component of the Integrated Child Development Services scheme. ICDS is like a mainstream program of the government of India. So this particular area has been brought under ICDS so that more care can be given. Okay, and the broad objective of the scheme is to improve the nutritional development or the health development status of the adolescent girls, and also to create this awareness among them about their hygiene, their sanitation, their health, nutrition, the family care, and also after health, linking them to the opportunities available for them to develop their skills and also to get them back to school, give them better understanding of the social environment and take initiative to become productive members of the society. Okay, so the target group will be the girls between the age group of 11 and 18 years. Okay, and the states are maintaining Kishori health card also for the girls between 11 and 18 years in Anganwadi centers to record the information about their weight and height, body mass, that is BMI, along with services provided, other services for the scheme. Okay. The last topic for discussion is Mission Bugier. It's a capsule news. So it's a safe drinking water project. It has been launched by Telangana government. What they do, it provide drinking water to every village and city household, and it will supply clean drinking water from Krishna and Godavari as well. Okay. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you so much and good night. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Follow our website neoiascap.com for detailed content and monthly prelims digest. Also join our current affairs exclusive test series through the website. And finally, participate in the daily current affairs prelims infotainment quiz at our Telegram channel Neo IAS Prelims at 9:30 p.m. every day. Thank you.